I've dropped this tree down and there's a smaller cherry tree next to it. I'm gonna clean it up. I mean, it's not raining, it's not snowing, so I can be outside. I'll use any time that I have to do a little bit preparation outside. The big tree, I'm getting some help later today, so I'll clean this one up, and hopefully by that time help will be here, and then we'll drop this as well today. Good morning. All the trees are down. I'm left with some of the mess. We've cleaned a lot. I've got to grab the chainsaw and cut these big pieces into small manageable pieces. I mean, we'll use most of it for firewood. I'll leave the big trunk and we'll just push it somewhere to side, let it naturally cure. I'll probably take it to the sawmill in whatever, a year time or so, and get some planks cut out of it, and then we'll see how we go, I guess. I've got a lot of this brush from the tree of a lot of these twigs. I'll get the mulch out and start mulching. I'll see how far I get done today, and how much I get mulched. Maybe I'll give some of this stuff away. People are willing to take some of that, so anyway, I'll start working, I guess, and then I'll keep you posted how I go. And a few hours worth of work and I'm finished. Everything is cut up into pieces. I wish I had a wheelbarrow now. I don't. I have to wait for a wheelbarrow donation. No, I'm just joking. I also don't have a big axe to split these big pieces. That's the next thing on my list that I have to go and buy. And this big piece I'm gonna leave. I wanna do my. I just have to get the excavator to move this, and then I want to make my kitchen bench tops out of it. So this will be cut into slabs, and hopefully I can make the kitchen bench top out of it. If it's not enough, I'll just go buy a little bit of extra. There's plenty of this wood around, and I've got a little log here. It's nice and straight. I don't want to cut it in pieces. Maybe I can do something out of it. We'll see. Worst thing is I'll just grab the chainsaw and cut it. So the big piece that I have here, I want to make a little chair for the kids out of it. Something easy, nothing fancy. Just carve something out with a chainsaw. And the big bottom piece I'll pull out with the roots, and I'll just leave that aside for a couple of years or whatever till I have time, and I want to make a table for outside out of it. So that's the plan. Whether it's gonna happen or not sure, but that's the plan for now. Yeah, that's enough for me from chainsawing for today. Now I've gotta get my wood chipper and start wood chipping all this stuff that I have here. It's gonna have a great workout, and I'll have a great workout with it too. Good morning. It's been raining for past couple of days now. There's not much I can do outside. My wife and I did the chickens yesterday. We did our 18 chickens in 4 hours, meaning from us setting up, cleaning them, butchering them, cutting them into bits and pieces and parts, packing everything up, cleaning everything, 4 hours. For the first time, me raising my own chickens and butchering them and processing everything. I think it's good timing. I know some people can do it quicker, but for the first time I reckon it's really good. I just want to keep you up to date where we are at, and I'll show you just a few things that we've done. I'm not gonna be showing you the butchering bits because I didn't record it. We've basically set up a little gazebo, and we did it under the gazebo, all the work. I'll quickly show you what I've bought, the machines I have, and the setup of the gazebo, and that's about it. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as well, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. I forgot to mention, we still didn't get the power. It's taking longer than expected. It was meant to be here about a week ago, but hey. Anyway, we've borrowed the power and water from the neighbors. Thank you very much, neighbors. Yeah, the water we can't dig, it's too wet, it's too much rain to get that fixed, but yeah, the power, probably another 2 weeks before we get it. We'll see what happens, I guess. I hope we'll get it before Christmas. Everything is just going so slow here.